I don't think anybody's hypnotic arsenal would be complete without one of these, the legendary pocket watch. And I just love it when I stand in front of you and begin to swing my pocket watch gently before your eyes. And I love to watch the way your eyes start from left to right as you find yourself focusing on my pocket watch, and notice that your eyes soon start to get tired. Your eyes begin to feel sleepy now. Sleepy, sleepy eyes. And you feel your whole body beginning to relax as you can enjoy yourself feeling so lazy. Nobody's expecting anything of you right now, and there's nothing for you to do but just relax, just focus, and allow your mind to absorb my words so that you can begin to experience deep trance.